What exactly is the use of Edge AI, and why is it important? Edge AI refers to the use of AI algorithms and models that are run directly on devices at the edge of a network, rather than in the cloud or a data center. This means that data can be processed and analyzed in real time, without having to be sent to a centralized location first. The main advantage of Edge AI is its ability to process large amounts of data in real time, leading to faster decision-making and improved business operations. This can be especially important in industries where real-time processing is crucial, such as manufacturing, transportation, and healthcare. In a manufacturing plant, for example, Edge AI can be used to monitor production lines and make decisions on the fly to improve efficiency and minimize downtime. In the transportation industry, Edge AI can be used to optimize routing and improve delivery times, leading to faster and more efficient deliveries for customers. And in healthcare, Edge AI can be used to process patient data in real time, allowing doctors to make more informed decisions and improve patient outcomes. This can be especially important in emergency situations, where every second counts. Another advantage of Edge AI is its ability to work offline, without the need for a connection to the internet. This is important in situations where internet connectivity is limited, such as in remote areas or during network outages. Edge AI devices can continue to operate and make decisions, even when there is no internet connection, ensuring that business operations are not disrupted. Despite its benefits, Edge AI is still in its early stages and there are some challenges that need to be addressed. One of these challenges is the issue of data privacy and security. As Edge AI devices collect and process large amounts of sensitive data, it's important to ensure that this data is protected from unauthorized access. To address this issue, companies need to implement strong security measures, such as encryption and secure data storage, to protect the privacy of their customers. Another challenge is the issue of scalability. As more and more devices become connected to the internet, the demand for Edge AI will only continue to increase. It's important to develop scalable Edge AI solutions that can handle the growing demands of businesses and the increasing number of connected devices. Despite these challenges, the future of Edge AI is bright. With its ability to process large amounts of data in real time, Edge AI has the potential to transform the way businesses operate and improve the lives of people all over the world. So, let's continue to push the boundaries of what's possible with Edge AI and see where it takes us. We have the opportunity to make a real impact in the world and help companies become more efficient and effective in their operations.